What is Google KMS? Google's Key Management Service, or KMS, is a managed encryption key service offered by Google Cloud Platform. It allows you to create, use, rotate, and manage cryptographic keys for your cloud services and applications. Core features of Google KMS. Number 1. Key creation and storage. You can generate and store symmetric or asymmetric cryptographic keys. Keys are stored in key rings which are grouped by location. Number 2. Encryption and decryption. Use symmetric keys to encrypt and decrypt data. Use asymmetric keys for digital signatures or encryption. Number 3. Key management. You can set rotation schedules on your keys. You can use versioned keys so older versions can be retained or disabled. You can also enforce IAM policies to control access, who can use, view, or manage keys. Number 4. Integration. KMS integrates with services like Cloud Storage, BigQuery, Compute Engine, and Cloud SQL to encrypt data at rest. Use KMS with customer-managed encryption keys or customer-supplied encryption keys. Audit logging. It works with cloud audit logs and access transparency to monitor key access and usage. Number 6. Compliance. Meets various compliance standards such as FIPS 142 Level 3 when used with HSM-backed keys. It also helps meet GDPR, HIPAA, FedRAMP, and other compliance depending on how it's configured. When should you use Google KMS? You should use Google KMS when you need fine-grained control over key lifecycle and usage, when encrypting sensitive data in a way that complies with regulatory or internal security policies, when using assured workloads, and need to enforce data residency and key access restrictions.